What is Azure DevOps? Microsoft's powerful cloud-based platform to streamline your software development and deployment process. It helps teams plan, build, test, and release applications efficiently using DevOps best practices. In this video, I'll walk you through Azure DevOps, its key features, and why to use Azure DevOps.
Let's see the key features of Azure DevOps. Azure Repos provides Git and Team Foundation Version Control, TFVC, to help you manage your code, collaborate with your team, and track changes seamlessly. With Azure Pipelines, you can automate your software delivery with continuous integration, CI, and continuous deployment, CD, ensuring faster and more reliable releases. Need better project tracking? Azure Boards offers Agile, Scrum, and Kanban tools to manage your work items, bugs, and sprints effectively. For quality assurance, Azure Test Plans enables both manual and automated testing to ensure your applications work flawlessly. Finally, Azure Artifacts allows teams to host, share, and manage code libraries like NuGet, NPM, and Maven, keeping dependencies secure and organized.
So, why consider using Azure DevOps? Azure DevOps is a cloud-based DevOps platform by Microsoft that helps teams plan, develop, test, and deploy software efficiently. It provides a complete set of tools to support the entire software development lifecycle, supports any programming language and platform, cost-effective and free for small teams. It is an affordable DevOps without infrastructure costs. And that's a quick introduction to Azure DevOps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite DevOps tool? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.